Ah! It works! Your pizza's still there. It's just really small. It's an electron inverter. Built it myself. I can shrink anything, even us.
Us?
Now, not only can we go to the bottom of the ocean, we can go beyond.
Why would we want to do that? What's that thing?
It's a giant drill.
Huh? They're drilling for oil?
Nope. Mud.
Mud? Why are they drilling for mud?
A special kind of research ship is used to bring up layers of mud and rock from way beneath the bottom of the ocean, here in the Gulf of California. Inside these layers of the seafloor live lots of different microorganisms. They're so tiny you need a high-powered microscope to see them. And they're really important.
What's so important about these microorganisms?
We're not going to find that answer if we stay here, on the bottom of the ocean. We have to go deeper.
Do we really need to find the answer? Whoa! Where are we now?
In the mud, way deep down in the subsea floor.
The what?
We're below the surface of the seafloor. It's called the subsea floor, or even cooler, the deep biosphere.
Wow! We're underground and underwater. Can you get any lower than this?
Sure! If we keep going deeper into the mud, we can find a lot of different habitats down here.
What was that?
A microorganism.
Why is it so big? Wait, you shrunk us?
I shrank us, yes. It's the only way to get a proper view of the deep biosphere.
Now I can eat my pizza.
Forget the pizza! Scientists have recently discovered that there are way more microorganisms living down here in the subsea floor than previously thought.
So what?
Well, microorganisms make about 17% of the total mass of all life on Earth. That's over 1,000 times more than you humans, and there's almost 8 billion of you.
Whoa! That's a lot of life that we're just now getting around to discovering.
Do you want to know something even more amazing?
Amaze me.
These microorganisms help keep our planet cool.
Wait, how do they do that all the way down here?
They do it by eating carbon.
But how does that keep our climate cool?
I was just getting to that part. You see, the ocean holds almost 50 times more carbon than the Earth's atmosphere. A lot of that carbon ends up in seafloor sediments, thanks to the stuff raining down from the surface waters. That stuff is mostly made of dead microscopic plants and animals, as well as a lot of animal poop.
Wait, it's raining poop?
Well, really it's all just carbon. Sediments, like the ones we're in right now, are one of the largest carbon storage spots on Earth. Carbon is an important source of food for microbes that live here in the subsea floor. All the different microbes that live here use certain carbon compounds as energy to help them grow, which removes it from the Earth's carbon cycle. And nothing goes to waste, either. They all use the carbon. One microbe's waste is another microbe's food.
Yeah, so?
So, it helps keep a lot of carbon from entering our atmosphere. Earth would be a lot hotter if the ocean weren't helping out.
Wow! Who knew that microorganisms at the bottom of the ocean play such a huge role in our climate?
And a lot more microorganisms live here in the Gulf of California than in other parts of the ocean.
Why?
There's tons of carbon falling down from above every single day because the surface waters here have a very active food web, which eventually all makes its way to the bottom.
Now I'm starting to get a little amazed. Also, doesn't my pizza have carbon in it? Can I eat it now?
Not yet. This fluid is on its way to a hydrothermal vent above us.
Whoa! It's hot!
When this super hot fluid flows through the deep biosphere, it reacts with all that carbon-rich mud to create lots of different compounds for these microorganisms to eat. And the hot temperatures get their appetites working overtime.
So, they help the planet by trapping that carbon way down here in the mud.
You got it.
I wish I could find a way to help the planet.
There's lots of ways humans can help the planet.
How?
Come on, Zach, haven't you been paying attention? Use less fossil fuel by carpooling, walking, or taking the bus. That keeps carbon out of the atmosphere. Plant some trees or even a garden. Adopt a more vegetarian diet.
If I order a vegetarian pizza, do you promise not to shrink it?
If you promise to share it.